Welcome to Brazil, a land of vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and pulsating energy. Nestled in the heart of South America, Brazil unfurls a tapestry of experiences, from the rhythm of samba to the allure of its culinary delights. Its vast expanse, peppered with a diverse array of flora and fauna, promises a journey unlike any other. Here, every corner is a new adventure, every encounter a memory etched forever. Now let's delve deeper into two of Brazil's most exciting cities, Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. Rio de Janeiro, a city that never sleeps, a city where the mountains meet the sea. Rio, as it is affectionately known, is a melting pot, teeming with over 6 million cariocas, as the locals are known. This is a city that thrives on its multicultural blend, where diverse cultures, backgrounds, and traditions coalesce, creating a rich tapestry of life that is as colorful as it is vibrant. Rio de Janeiro is a city of iconic landmarks. No journey to Rio would be complete without a visit to Christ the Redeemer, the towering statue of Jesus Christ that watches over the city with open arms. Perched atop the Corcovado mountain, it is a symbol of peace and a testament to the city's deep-rooted faith. Copacabana Beach, another of Rio's famed landmarks, is a stretch of golden sand that has been immortalized in song and film. Whether it's the sun worshippers by day or the samba dancers by night, Copacabana is a place where the spirit of Rio comes alive. And then, there's the Carnival, the world's most famous street party. For 5 days every year, the city is transformed into a riot of color, music, and dance. The Carnival is a celebration of life, a spectacle that showcases the city's cultural richness and zest for life. But Rio is more than its landmarks. It's the cariocas, with their warmth and joie de vivre. It's the churrascarias, where the tantalizing aroma of barbecue fills the air. It's the samba, the rhythmic heartbeat of the city. It's the caipirinha, the national cocktail that adds a sweet twist to the evenings. It's the stunning vistas from Sugarloaf Mountain that take your breath away. From its sun-kissed beaches to its vibrant street life, Rio de Janeiro captures the heart of every traveler. It's a city that celebrates life in its own unique way, a city that invites you to lose yourself in its rhythm, to dance to its beat, to live the Rio way. From the moment you step foot in Rio, you'll feel its pulse, and you'll understand why they say, Rio de Janeiro, Cidade Maravilhosa, the marvelous city. Welcome to Sao Paulo, the pulsating core of Brazil, a blend of various cultures. Sao Paulo is the most populous city in Brazil and the Southern Hemisphere, recognized for its multifaceted cultural essence. The city's culinary landscape is a fusion of typical Brazilian cuisine and international flavors. Sao Paulo is a center of artistic activities, hosting notable events such as the Sao Paulo Art Biennial and Sao Paulo Fashion Week. Sao Paulo, a city that applauds variety and culture, is truly globe within a globe. Beyond the city limits lies the hidden secret of Brazil, the Amazon rainforest. This vast green expanse, teeming with life, is a world away from the bustling streets of Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. It's an untouched paradise, accessible via the city of Manaus, and it offers a unique and enchanting experience that leaves every visitor in awe. As we journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, we find ourselves in a realm where nature reigns supreme. The air is dense with the sweet scent of exotic flowers and the chorus of countless unseen creatures. With each step, we delve deeper into a world that has remained largely unchanged for millions of years, a testament to the enduring power of nature. But the Amazon rainforest is more than just a beautiful backdrop. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing over 16,000 species. This staggering biodiversity is a wonder to behold, and it serves as a stark reminder of our responsibility to preserve and protect these precious ecosystems. Here, in the heart of the rainforest, we also find encounters that can't be scripted. Indigenous communities, whose ancestors have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries, welcome us with open arms. Their knowledge and understanding of the forest are unparalleled, offering us a glimpse into a way of life that is as rich and diverse as the forest itself. These encounters, often overlooked by mainstream tourism, offer a unique and deeply personal perspective on the rainforest and its importance to our planet. The Amazon rainforest is a place of discovery, of exploration, and of understanding. It's a place where we can reconnect with nature and gain a new appreciation for the intricate balance that sustains life on Earth. The Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of nature, offers an adventure like no other. It's an experience that stays with you, a memory that lingers long after you've left the forest behind. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and prepare to step off the beaten path. The Amazon is waiting. In Brazil, soccer is not just a game, it's a way of life. This is not an exaggeration, but a testament to the country's enduring passion for the sport. From the bustling cities of Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo to the remote corners of the Amazon, the love for soccer echoes through every heart, every street, every soul. Brazil's rich soccer history is etched in the golden pages of international football. The country has produced some of the greatest players the world has ever seen. Pelé, the prodigy of the 20th century, Zico, the master of the beautiful game, Romario, the unstoppable striker, Ronaldo, the phenomenon, and of course Neymar, the current face of Brazilian soccer. These names are not just players, they are symbols of national pride, inspiring generations of Brazilians and soccer enthusiasts worldwide. But the love for soccer here is not confined to the star players or the monumental victories. It's in the everyday life of the Brazilians, in the children kicking a makeshift ball in the favela streets, in the adults passionately debating over a game in local cafes. It's in the weekends dedicated to local matches, where the community comes together, cheering and shouting, sharing the joy of the game. Brazilian soccer is also a testament to the nation's resilience. It's a sport that has seen the country through its darkest days, providing a beacon of hope and unity. The tragic loss of the 1950 World Cup at home, known as the Maracanazo, is still felt today. Yet it's a reminder of the indomitable spirit of the Brazilians, their ability to rise from the ashes, stronger and more passionate. Brazil's soccer culture is a symphony of skill, passion, and unity. It's a dance that transcends the boundaries of the pitch, seeping into the heart of the nation, resonating with the rhythm of samba. In the land of samba, soccer dances to its own rhythm, uniting people across all walks of life. From the bustling metropolises to the tranquil rainforests, Brazil beckons with open arms. This vast, vibrant country is a symphony of cultures, landscapes, and experiences, all waiting to be explored. Revel in the marvel of Rio de Janeiro, a city that dances to the beat of samba and sparkles with the energy of its world-renowned Carnival. Bask in the warm golden sands of Copacabana Beach, or stand in awe beneath the outstretched arms of the iconic Christ the Redeemer. In Sao Paulo, immerse yourself in a bustling cultural scene that pulses with life. This gastronomic heart of Brazil offers an array of culinary delights that range from traditional feijoada to innovative fusion cuisine. Venture into the hidden secrets of the Amazon rainforest's northern region, where unspoiled natural beauty reigns supreme. Here, encounters with indigenous communities offer a rare glimpse into a world untouched by mainstream tourism. And of course, no trip to Brazil would be complete without acknowledging its deep-seated love for soccer. From neighborhood games on makeshift pitches to the hallowed grounds of Maracana Stadium, the spirit of O Jogo Bonito, the beautiful game, is inescapable. Brazil is a country where the old and the new, the natural and the urban, the tranquil and the vibrant, all coexist in harmonious diversity. Brazil, a world of wonders, awaits your arrival. Before we wrap up this vibrant journey, we have a small request. If you've enjoyed this adventure through Brazil, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting journeys around the globe. Share the magic of Brazil with your friends and family by sharing this video. We'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts about Brazil, so please comment below. If this journey has sparked your wanderlust, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring.